Hello students, today we are going to trace the path of the refracted light with the help of glass slab. So here I have taken a glass slab, a plain paper, and the pins are over here. Our aim is to study the path of the refracted light. Also along with this we are going to study angle of incidence, angle of emergence and angle of refraction, that we have to measure them, and then we have to interpret the result. So that is our aim for doing this experiment. So first you have to draw the outline of the glass slab. Complete this rectangle. Then you have to draw a normal, that is a perpendicular line at any one point, and then using protractor you select angle of incidence. So you have to measure from this normal line, so you have to keep protractor in this way, and then suppose you have selected angle of incidence as 30 degree, then you have to mark this position and extend the line, join the 2 points. Then you have to select any 2 points over here, and then push the pins inside. Make sure that they are aligned properly. Then keep the glass slab, and then you have to observe these 2 pins from other side, from the opposite side, and then push the pins in such a way that they are in same line, that is they are collinear. You can move your head on the either side and check whether they are in the same line. And then you can remove the glass slab, remove these pins also, and then the 2 points that they have formed, that are formed here, that you have to join. Encircle the 2 points. Then you have to label these 4 points, A, B, C and D. Now this is angle of incidence, which we have already selected as 30 degree. Now what we have to do, you have to draw a normal at this particular point over here, and then join these 2 points. This is a point of incidence, this is point of emergence. Join the 2 points. So this is your angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction, and this is angle of emergence. Now what we have to do, you have to measure angle of refraction and angle of emergence. So again I will take a protractor, keep it over here. This line should be coincident on this normal line. Now as you can see, the refracted angle is around 18 degree. So starting from here it comes out to be 18 degree. So angle of refraction is 18 degree, and again angle of incidence you will measure. This is close to 30 degree, around 32 degree. So angle of emergence is 32 degree. Now you will observe that angle of incidence is very close to angle of emergence. I is 30 degree and E is 32 degree. Ideally they should be equal, but due to some errors in the material of the glass slab or while taking observation, it might happen that these two readings might be very close to each other, but they are not exactly equal. But ideally they should be equal to each other. So angle of incidence and angle of emergence are very close to each other, and this indicates that the angle of incidence and angle of emergence, since they are in the same medium, they have to be same. The angle should be same. So this is what we can infer from the experiment.